Over the years, your front and rear lower door panel moldings can take quite a beating, and when restoring your interior, this is an important detail. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 68 Chevrolet, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac front and rear lower door panel moldings. These are sold as a pair. Our moldings are manufactured from stamped aluminum. We use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure a perfect part every time. At the end of the production line, we anodize each molding for protection, followed with a polished finish. You'll be happy you chose us for your reproduction. In addition, we include all the necessary hardware, making this a straightforward installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at OPGI.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.